This video is about multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA adds additional security to a user's account. When enabled, the user will be prompted to verify their account using a secondary device. This video will discuss administrative MFA configuration, how users will create and manage MFA devices, and additional admin actions. MFA can be enabled in user management. You will see a section for MFA. If you do not see this section, then the feature has not been enabled for your tenant. Please contact support for additional assistance. Check the Enable MFA to turn the feature on. Selecting Enforce will require all users to set up an MFA device and go through the MFA process during login and forgot password. If Enforce is not required, users will have the option to decide whether or not they want to set up an MFA device. For the MFA process, TOTP and/or Duo can be enabled. TOTP stands for Time-Based One-Time Password. Users will be sent a one-time code they will need to enter into a verification screen. To receive this code, users will need to download an application. Supported mobile applications include Google Authenticator, Authy, and Duo Mobile. An integration directly with Duo is also supported. This allows the additional options for the user to receive a push notification or phone call during the MFA process. Duo is only available if the customer has a company Duo account. Users will have to download the Duo app to receive the MFA push, code, or call. If Duo is selected, the admin will need to enter the integration key, secret key, and API hostname, which can be obtained from Duo. Admins will also select a property type that will be authenticated against Duo. This must be a field unique to the user, such as email. The admin can also configure the account lock settings with a value from 3 to 5. If MFA has been enforced, the next time users log in, they will be required to set up an MFA device. After entering in their username and password, they will be prompted to start the MFA registration process. If both TOTP and Duo are enabled for the tenant, the user will be able to choose between the two. If not, then the authentication method that is configured will be selected by default. After selecting the authentication method, users should follow the on-screen prompts to finish the device registration. For TOTP, the user should enter in a name for their device. They can then use the phone app they have downloaded to scan the QR code. Next, they are prompted to enter in the one-time code given to them by the application. After entering in the code, they have successfully registered a device. Users can manage their own MFA devices through their user settings. Select the security settings and choose MFA settings. Here's where users can add a new MFA device, remove an MFA device, and select a device as default. If they click Add, they will be able to select the authentication mode. The user can then follow the on-screen prompts to add the device. Users can also select device as the default MFA device. If a device is selected as the default during login and forgot password, that device is automatically selected as the MFA device for that user. The user can also delete MFA devices. If MFA is enforced, the user is always required to have at least one MFA device. In the user detail screen, the admin can view all of the devices a user has enabled for MFA. On this screen, they can also reset the devices. Resetting the devices will remove all of the user's devices for MFA. This is helpful for when a user has lost access to their MFA device and needs to restart the MFA configuration process.